In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an exponential moving average, or EMA, to your chart in TradingView. Understanding how to use EMA can be a powerful tool in your trading toolkit, helping you analyze price movements more effectively. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll want to have your chart open in TradingView. To do this, log into your TradingView account and bring up the chart you want to analyze. Now, TradingView is a well-known platform among traders because of its versatility and user-friendly interface, making it a popular choice for conducting technical analysis. Once you have your chart open and ready to go, your next step is to look for the Indicators and Strategies button. You'll find this in the top toolbar of your TradingView interface, usually marked by a little icon that looks like a beaker or flask. Clicking this button opens a whole world of indicators available for you to apply to your chart. Now, when the indicator window pops up, you'll see a search box near the top. This is where you'll focus your attention next. Here, you have a couple of options. You can type EMA, which stands for Exponential Moving Average, or you can choose to type out Moving Average Exponential. Both terms will bring up the same result. As you start typing, you might find that suggestions begin to auto-complete for you, which makes the search process so much faster. Once you see the indicator listed in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This action will immediately add the EMA to your chart. By default, TradingView typically selects a 9-period EMA. This is a common setting in the world of technical analysis, often used to identify trends over a short time frame. However, it's worth noting that one of the strengths of the TradingView platform is the ability to customize settings, so you can always change the period to better suit your trading strategy. With the EMA now visible on your chart, you'll notice how it adds a smoother path that follows the price action more responsively than a simple moving average might. This is particularly useful for traders looking to capture more immediate price movements and filter out the noise of random price fluctuations. As we wrap up, just remember that practicing with tools like the EMA on TradingView can greatly enhance your ability to make informed decisions in your trading activities. Experiment with different settings, observe the changes, and gradually develop an eye for how these indicators can be leveraged to recognize potential entry and exit points in your trades. That's all for today's tutorial. Now you should have a solid understanding of how to add an EMA to your charts in TradingView. Keep exploring and learning. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.